Those button function. Bad words mean a word that does not have matched synonyms. Select word. Add to bad words. Here you can add other bad words directly. Good words mean a word that has a lot of matched synonyms. Previous word, next word. Select replace. The original word will be replaced by the synonym. Remove the original words. Insert blank. Input synonym directly, press Enter button. T stands for selecting best synonym. B stands for selecting better synonym. G stands for selecting good synonym. A stands for selecting all synonym under thesaurus. This is thesaurus symbol. Favorite synonym. Choose which word you think is the best synonym. Click the Start button to add to favorite. You can see the favorite words here. Add a new favorite synonym. Add a new category. When you add a new synonym, click Save to Thesaurus.